Hello, everyone. Welcome to your 30-day English journey. Have you ever dreamed of speaking English fluently but felt like it would take years to master? What if I told you that in just 30 days you could make huge progress? It may sound impossible, but with the right mindset, smart strategies, and daily consistency, you can develop strong listening, speaking, reading, and writing skills in just 1 month. Many learners struggle with English because they lack a clear plan. They spend years memorizing grammar rules, yet when it comes to real conversations, they freeze. Sound familiar? The truth is, learning English doesn't have to be difficult or boring. The secret to mastering English quickly and effectively is immersion, surrounding yourself with the language every single day and using it in real-life situations. In this guide, I will take you step by step through a powerful 30-day learning plan that will help you train your brain to think in English, improve your pronunciation, expand your vocabulary, and gain confidence in speaking. Whether you are a beginner or someone who wants to sharpen their skills, this method will help you transform your English fluency in just 1 month. So, are you ready to take on this challenge? Let's get started. Stay motivated, trust the process, and in 30 days, you'll be amazed by your own progress. Week 1. Building a strong foundation. The first week is all about getting comfortable with English. Your goal is to absorb as much English as possible and start using it in simple ways. Day 1 to 3. Immerse yourself in English. Change your phone, social media, and computer settings to English. Listen to English everywhere. Podcasts, YouTube, music, and audiobooks. Start watching English TV shows or movies with subtitles. Example, if you love cooking, watch cooking videos in English. If you enjoy sports, follow an English-speaking sports channel. Make English part of your daily routine. Day 4 to 5. Master basic sentences. Learn common phrases like greetings, asking for directions, and ordering food. Practice speaking out loud. Talk to yourself in English. Use flashcards to memorize useful words and expressions. Example, when you wake up, say, "Today I will have breakfast, go to work, and meet my friends." Even simple sentences help you start thinking in English. Day 6 to 7. Improve your listening skills. Watch and listen without relying too much on subtitles. Repeat what you hear. This is called shadowing. Listen to slow English news, BBC Learning English, VOA Learning English. Example, try listening to a short English dialogue, then pause and repeat it exactly like the speaker. This helps improve pronunciation and fluency. Week 2. Expanding vocabulary and confidence. Now that you are familiar with basic English, it's time to learn more words and start speaking with confidence. Day 8 to 10. Learn 10 to 20 new words daily. Keep a vocabulary notebook and write down new words. Learn words in context, not just as single words. Use word association. Connect new words to images or real experiences. Example, instead of memorizing ocean, wave, and shore separately, create a sentence. I love walking by the ocean, watching the waves, and relaxing on the shore. Days 11 to 12. Start speaking with confidence. Speak English every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. Find a language partner or practice with friends. Record yourself speaking and listen to your pronunciation. Example, stand in front of a mirror and practice introducing yourself. Hi, my name is... I love traveling and learning new languages. Days 13 to 14. Think in English, stop translating in your head. Train yourself to think directly in English. Describe what you see around you in English. Have imaginary conversations in your mind. Example: while walking, think, the sun is shining, the sky is blue, that car is moving fast. This simple habit rewires your brain to process English naturally. Week 3. Strengthening grammar and speaking fluency. Now that you have built a solid foundation, it's time to refine your grammar and speaking skills. Day 15 to 17. Focus on practical grammar. Learn the most common grammar rules. Don't try to learn everything at once. Focus on past, present, and future tense. Write short daily journal entries in English. Example: instead of memorizing complex grammar rules, practice sentences like, yesterday I go to the park. Incorrect. Yesterday I went to the park. Correct. Day 18 to 20. Improve pronunciation and accent. Listen to native speakers and copy their pronunciation. Use tongue twisters to improve clarity. Focus on intonation and rhythm. English has a natural melody. Example: try saying this quickly. She sells seashells by the seashore. Tongue twisters help with fluency and clear pronunciation. Day 21. Challenge yourself. Speak for 5 minutes non-stop. Choose a random topic and speak in English for at least 5 minutes. Don't worry about mistakes. Just keep talking. Use gestures and body language to express yourself. Example: talk about your favorite movie. I love The Lion King because it teaches about courage, responsibility, and family. Week 4. Achieving fluency and confidence. You've made it to the final stretch. Congratulations! By now, you have built a strong foundation in listening, speaking, reading, and writing, and you're ready to take your fluency to the next level. This week is all about boosting confidence, speaking naturally, and thinking in English without hesitation. Your goal is to immerse yourself completely in English and push yourself outside of your comfort zone. The more you use English, the more natural it will feel. Let's dive into the final challenge. Day 22 to 24. Read and summarize. Train your thinking in English. Reading is a great way to improve vocabulary, comprehension, and fluency. But don't just read. Summarize what you read in your own words. This will help you think and express ideas in English naturally. Your tasks: read short stories, news articles, or blog posts in English. Write a short summary in your own words. Say it out loud to practice fluency and pronunciation. Challenge yourself. Try summarizing without looking at the text again. Example: read a news article about technology. Then tell someone, "Today, I read about a new technology that helps save energy. Scientists have created solar panels that work even at night." Record yourself summarizing the article and listen back to improve pronunciation and build confidence. Day 25 to 27. Have real conversations. Speak without fear. Now it's time to take your speaking skills into real-life conversations. Speaking with others will help you overcome shyness, hesitation, and fear of making mistakes. Your tasks: join English-speaking groups or online communities, Facebook, Reddit, Telegram, etc. Find a language partner or speak with native speakers. Use apps like HelloTalk, Tandem, or Speaky to connect with learners worldwide. Challenge yourself. Try speaking for 5 minutes straight without stopping. Example: start a conversation with a new person. Hi, I'm learning English, and I'd love to practice with you. Most people will be happy to help, and you'll gain confidence in real conversations. If you're too shy to speak with others, record voice messages instead of texting. This way, you get speaking practice even without live conversations. Day 28 to 30. Test yourself. Full English day. This is your ultimate test. A full day in English. Imagine you are in an English-speaking country and have no choice but to use English for everything. Your tasks: speak, listen, read, and think only in English for a full day. Avoid using your native language, even when you don't know a word. Describe unknown words instead of switching to your language. Challenge yourself. Write a short journal entry in English about your day. Example: if you don't know the word for umbrella, instead of switching languages, say, "It's something you use when it rains to stay dry." This technique forces you to think in English and improves fluency. Record a video diary at the end of the day, sharing your experience of speaking English all day. Wow! You've completed the 30-day challenge. Look at how far you've come. You've built confidence, improved fluency, and developed daily English habits. But this is just the beginning. Your next steps: keep practicing daily, even if only for 10 to 15 minutes. Continue speaking, reading, writing, and listening every day. Find new challenges like watching movies without subtitles or writing a daily journal in English. Remember, fluency is not about being perfect. It's about communicating with confidence. Keep pushing yourself, keep practicing, and soon English will feel natural and effortless. Now tell me, how was your 30-day journey? What was your biggest achievement? Drop a comment below and let's celebrate your progress together.